Hello everyone, this is Ömer Kaya from SMS-TORK company. Today I will talk about how you can choose best solenoid valve for your process. First of all, when you are choosing a solenoid valve to your application, the most important thing is your medium type. If you have high viscosity or some particles in your medium, in that kind of application, solenoid valves cannot work properly. So, if you have a low viscosity application and if you have non-particle application, you can choose to control your flow with solenoid valves. In TORK family, we divide our product range according to different application. For general purpose application like non-aggressive flows, water, air, we have S10 series. For steam application, we have S20 series. For vacuum and packaging application, we have S30 series. For fuel oil application, we have S40 series. For compressor application, we have S50 series. And if you need stainless steel body solenoid valves for your application, in this case, we have SS series solenoid valve. And in ATEX explosion-proof protection class solenoid valve, we have SX series solenoid valves. The main difference among these series is mainly the sealing material. So, with different kind of sealing material, you can use in different kind of application. For instance, in general purpose valve, we are using NBR sealing materials. In steam application, we mainly prefer PTFE or EPDM sealing materials. And in fuel oil application, in compressor application, we mainly prefer whitened sealing materials. So, mainly the sealing materials differs this series between each other. The third parameter is pressure. Solenoid valves, if it is direct acting, you don't need any minimum pressure for application. But it is pilot operated valve. In this case, you need minimum 0.5 pressure in your application. If you don't have 0.5 bar in your application, then you should change the type of your solenoid valve. So, if you don't have any pressure, and in this case also you need a diaphragm valve which helps you to get higher flow rates, you should use S1000 series. If there is no pressure in the line, it's open in any cases solenoid valves. Fourth point is when you are choosing your solenoid valve, temperature. Temperature makes difference between sealing material and also if you have high temperature application, in this case you need some extension between body of the solenoid valve and the coil of the valve to protect coil get high temperatures and get burned. S5, as I said before, the voltage is high importance. Normally in TORK solenoid valve, we can design your solenoid according to any kind of voltage you desire because we can wind our own coil, we can manufacture our own coil. But some solenoid valve, if you need low temperature application or if you need limited temperature applications, so you can need some PWM sockets to decrease the temperature of the coil, or you need some lower voltage or lower power consumption solenoid coils. So temperature has another importance while you are choosing your solenoid valve. As a sixth point, the protection class has another importance when you are choosing your solenoid valve. So if you need an explosion-proof solenoid valve, so you should choose SX series solenoid valve. Or if you need IP68 application and if there is some problem with some water spray or water come out to the valve, so you should use our IP68 class solenoid valves. Another important point while you are choosing your solenoid valve, do you need a normally open solenoid valve or normally closed solenoid valve? Normally closed solenoid valve keeps the line closed if you don't give any energy to the coil. And vice versa, normally open solenoid valve keeps the line, keeps the process open if you don't give energy, and if you give the energy, it shut down, it closed the line. So it is another point, do you need normally open or normally closed solenoid valve in your application? The last one you should care about, you should get a consider while you are choosing your solenoid valve is connection size. So torque solenoid valve starts from 1/8 screw connection and it goes up 3-inch sizes. And if in flange connection, it starts from the N25 and it goes up to the N300. But when you increase your connection size, the pressure unit maximum and also minimum and also flow rate difference among each other. So with the sizes, you should also care about the pressure which you can get, which you can apply to your solenoid valve, and also the flow rate in this pressure level and also in this size level. Can you use this solenoid valve or not? If you consider these 7 parameters while you are choosing your solenoid valve, you can get best option. You can choose best solenoid valve for your process. Thank you very much for listening our video. And if you want to follow our other videos, please subscribe our video channel.